Good morning. I know I haven't posted videos in a long time, but many of you remember the 1968 Mustang that's been in the background of a lot of videos. We're now finally working on it. Just gonna do short, not daily videos, but as I work on things. Update, we've had to chop this whole floor out on the driver's side. The passenger side is in the exact same shape, but I'm gonna do one side at a time. Bought a little plasma cutter, so I was able to cut out the layers and layers that were in here. The sills, the rocker panels are in mint shape because it was Z-barted originally 57 years ago, and that's what these holes are. And they put these plugs in from Z-Bart, and they shoot the rust protection in there, and it's held up really good. I wish they had done it to the frame, because we do have some rot underneath there that we'll have to cut out and put some material in. I bought new torque boxes both sides, frame, seat pan extenders, the whole floor pan, new seat pan, and I have to order the corner firewall replacement. As we can see, daylight way up the top, a lot of Swiss cheese. I did find another hole back here under the rear seat, and then also in that corner there's some issue. On the other side, there's a little bit there, and there is some right there. And then once I take these pans out, I'm sure it's just gonna be rotten underneath there. But the firewall on the passenger side is in a lot better shape. And there is some rust up in here that we're just gonna sandblast when the weather gets better. I'll push it out and do some sandblasting, get all that surface rust fixed up, and then we'll prime it, and then we will continue on the Stang.